Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie. Welcome to this episode of Cup TV brought to you by www.craftsuprint.com. In this episode we're going to be looking at a gorgeous kit from Isabel Neves. The cup number is cup 865022_2073 and it's called Technology Lover 2. You get 4 sheets in the actual kit and it's made for an 8x8 inch square card base. It's for him and it's, well, I actually think it's not just for him, it's for technology lovers. So it could be for him, it could be for her. And there's lots of decoupage. So I'd like to show you what you get in the kit and then we can make the gorgeous card. So the first sheet is the actual card front image, and then there's also a gift card you can make as well. Simply cut it out and fold it. Ideal for adding with your gifts, add in just as a little extra. So the next sheet is the decoupage for the card front and the extra sentiments that are available. We've got the insert sheet with, again, 2 different designs that feature the same image from the front. And then we've got what could be a backing paper, which would make a great envelope liner, don't you think? So let's make the card. So the first thing that I need is my base card, and this is an 8x8 inch card. And I've taken one of the little picture images that Isabel's included, and I've added flat tape on the back of it, and I thought this would work well on the back, just bringing the card together. So I'm turning the card over and I'm just adding the design on the back, and you can add your name underneath it, and I think that just finishes it off quite nicely, or it will do when we've made the card. So the first thing I'm going to do is the insert for the card. So I've cut out the insert. Now, for any new crafters, 8x8 cardstock, blank cards, are always 8x8. So sometimes they're a little bit smaller. So I've trimmed my design just a little bit to fit inside. So don't worry if you think, oh, my design's too big. Just trim it a little bit and then it will fit inside your card. So this is a great insert because there's lots of room for your messages. I've got flat tape on the back of mine, and we can simply add it inside our card like so. There we go, and press it down. Now I'm using my card with the crease at the top just because I like using square cards like that. My own personal choice, you don't have to, you can use it to the side if you prefer. So our main image for the front of the card, I've got flat tape on the back of it, and I can peel the tape away and add this just to the front of the card like so, centering it up, leaving a little gap around the edge to create a nice border. Press it down, and then I can build up the decoupage sections. Isabel's included some great sections. I've added 3D foam on the back, and I can add the sections over the previous image, building up that 3D effect. So my second layer is the phone and the pen, and then the pen on its own. There we go. Check Craftsuprint for the very fine 3D foam. They have lots of different things available that you might need, lots of accessories for your card making, so check it out. Now the last part of our decoupage is the actual watch. So again, I've cut it out and I've got it on 3D foam, and I'm just marrying the design up. And then I've taken one of the sentiments that Isabel's included, and it says just for you, and I'm going to add that just at the side of the glasses like that, and I think that finishes off our card perfectly. So you can see the layers that we've got from the decoupage, the gorgeous inside that matches, and a little design on the back that just kind of finishes it off nicely. I'd like to remind you of the cup number for the actual kit, and it's cup 865022_2073. And if you look for Isabel Neves, you'll be able to see Isabel's other designs on the actual website. I would just like to say thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you next time.